Today, we're going to show you how to add thigh straps to your T-Formex Esquif canoe. This is my Prospector 16, which we've been wrestling about with no thigh straps. As you can see here, pulling a little foul with my knee coming up, it was a little bit hard to maintain stability in the boat. So that's what we're going to do today. With my helpful assistant, we got our thigh straps and D-ring pad into place so we could sort of see what would be a good fit. We also used Mike Yee's measurements for reference, but we sort of winged it on this one. We used a graphite pencil just to sketch in the pad for the stern and the bow, making sure not to add too many marks. And with the placement ready, we took out some tape and we marked out the spot. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. We took some 100 grit sandpaper and sanded down, and then we cleaned that off with a quick little vacuum. Then you're going to want to take some 99% alcohol. Go ahead and clean off the surfaces. Make sure you give the bottom of the D-ring pad a nice clean off and a sand as well. For this case, we then applied a thin coat to both the bottom of the patch and the canoe. We let that sit.
15 minutes later.
Once that had sit for 15 minutes, we applied another thin coat to the pad as well as the canoe. Now was the tense time to bond the two pieces together. The pad was now on, fingers crossed. We cleaned up the boat a little bit and we sat and waited.
8+ hours later.
Magically, the thigh strap seemed to have attached itself. We did it. But that's that. We have a set of thigh straps added, and now we're really excited to get out onto the water. See you on our next trip.
Job well done, mate.